I'm Daniela Luquetti. I'm currently part of the Gabriella Kids First Data Resource Center, and my focus of research is on microtia and the craniofacial microsomia spectrum, also called oculoauricular vertebral spectrum or golden hair syndrome, and I'm interested in the genetic and non-genetic risk factors affecting this condition. I believe in data sharing, and I believe in sharing with the community and the patients and families what we're finding, and also trying to understand what should be the next steps on our research. So my research focuses right now, it's more on the genetic risk factors for microtia and craniofacial microsomia spectrum. And I'm excited that we found a family of genes that we believe are causative. And I think the importance of that is that when a family has a birth defect, they really want to know what happened. And they want to know why that happened to them, and then finding the causes help them understand and deal with the information. And so that's our goal, is to find the genetic causes. We're also trying to study the non-genetic causes, but they're more difficult to understand. And right now we're focusing on having good genetic data, and for that also have good phenotype data, so knowing exactly what is it that each patient has, what symptoms and signs they have. For us, it's really important so that we can correlate the genotype with the phenotype information. As a medical geneticist, sharing information and working in networks is kind of natural. One, because the conditions are not very frequent when you're studying them individually, but when you're studying them as a group, so for example, studying microtia with cleft lip and palate and other craniofacial conditions, then you're able to troubleshoot problems that you have and issues, and learn new techniques and new ways of analyzing the data. But also you probably will find common pathways that might explain both conditions, and we're probably going to find together the normal development of the cranial face as well as what's happening in those conditions. So I'm very grateful to the families who have participated in the research. Right now we have more than 300 families that we have enrolled in our studies, and without them we couldn't really do any of this. I do encourage other families to participate if they are interested in participating in research. And also the networks that we have 10 sites that we collaborate in the past 10 years have allowed us to really learn more from the condition, enroll more patients, and get more knowledge. So I think and then being on the DRC now, being able to share this data and get other data will help us advance a lot of our research.